So at the very top of the surfboard is this little mount, and I just attach it to that, and then it shoots back at me like this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it out kite surfing today and see what we think. I keep this in the sock so the lens doesn't get all screwed up. You know what I mean, jelly beans? I've got it connected to this GoPro connector here. So I just pop that up, and then I slide it down to the top of the board like that, and then I push that in. And now it's ready to go. I press it and hold it for 3 seconds. And I feel a buzz because I can't really see it. And then all I gotta do is just press it. And I hear a buzz, and now it's recording. And now we can go out there and shred. Some video. I'm going to press this to turn it off. I should hear a vibration. I heard it. Now I'm going to press it and hold it for 3 seconds. And I hear the vibration. I pop this up, squeeze that, and bam. Ready to put away. That's it.